Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to make a device that will save you from having to go water your garden yourself. The first thing we'll need is a small box in which we need to drill holes on the sides. By the way, I make these devices to order, so if anyone needs one, write in the comments or message me on Telegram. One hole should be 20 mm in diameter, and the other 21 mm will also need a solenoid valve with a 12-volt coil. You need to wrap PTFE tape on the valve's thread right away. You need to screw a 2 cm long extension onto one of the threads. Wrap PTFE tape on the extension's thread as well. Now place the valve into the box so that the extension's thread goes through the holes with a diameter of 20 mm. After that, screw the hose adapter onto the thread. Through the holes with a diameter of 21 mm, insert the extension and screw it onto the valve's thread. You also need to screw the hose adapter onto this thread in the same way. This is how everything should look. Next, you need to drill another hole with a diameter of 10 mm on the side of the box. You need to install a connector into the holes you made, which will be used to connect the power supply. I'm showing everything in detail so that you can make this device yourself, but if something doesn't work out for you, you can order it from me. You need to drill 2 holes in the lid of the box, one 10 mm and the other 3 mm. You need to install a non-latching button and an LED into the holes you made. You will also need a GSM Relay J202 for this project. You need to unscrew the antenna from it and remove the cap to improve the signal. You also need to insert any SIM card into the relay right away. Use double-sided tape to attach the relay to the lid. You need to connect the wires from the button to the connector located near the antenna right away. It doesn't matter which wire you connect where. Now take the box with the valve and connect everything according to the diagram shown on the screen. After connecting, you need to install the rubber gasket into the box lid. It's needed to prevent water from getting inside. Close the lid and tighten the screws. This is how it turned out. Everything is put together securely and neatly. To be continued. Next, you need to put stickers with labels on the box so it's clear what this device is and how everything works. At this stage, our homemade project is finished. Everything is done just like at the factory. Now let's move on to testing it. We connect a 12-volt power supply to the connector and plug it in. Now we take a mobile phone and call the number of the SIM card that's installed inside. And as you can see, after the call, the LED lights up, indicating that the valve is open. Now water can freely pass through it. To close the valve, you need to call the same number again, or you can simply set the desired time in the relay settings, after which it will turn off automatically without a call. If necessary, the valve can be opened manually. To do this, you need to press the button labeled Manual Valve Opening. It will only close after the power is turned off. Now let's connect a water supply hose to this device and an outlet hose. Turn on the power supply and call the number stored inside it. As you can see, the valve opened and water flowed. This way, you can remotely turn on the garden irrigation at your summer house and you won't have to go there every day. If someone else calls the number stored in this device, nothing will happen, because in the relay settings you specify who is allowed to control it. You can also control it using SMS. It has a lot of different settings. If you order this device from me, I'll help you figure everything out. You just need to install this unit in some shed and connect a water hose to it, and connect some kind of sprinkler to the end of the hose. And after that, by calling the right number, your garden will be watered automatically. You can set it up so that after the call, the garden is watered, for example, for half an hour, and then everything turns off by itself. In general, this device works great. If you want to order it for yourself, write in the comments or message me on Telegram. Thank you all for watching.